Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video we're making Dollar Tree scalloped potatoes. Here we go. So my friends, to make this recipe you need a box of instant scalloped potatoes, and you get these from the Dollar Tree, $1.25, and you need some butter. I'm going to use some plant-based butter in here. I'm also going to use some milk for this recipe, and this is all you need to make scalloped potato. Let's get started. Okay my friends, so it's a simple recipe to make scalloped potato. So my friends, in the package you'll find one of these, and these are just thinly sliced potatoes, and then also in the package is also the sauce as well. Okay, so you're going to need that to do your thing with. And I'm actually going to double the recipe, so I'm going to make 2 packages of scalloped potatoes for my family. Okay, and scalloped potato is one of those easy things to make. If the Dollar Tree has scalloped potato, why not, right? So we're trying scalloped potatoes from the Dollar Tree, and fast and easy, another 30 minutes meal idea. Okay, so now all you want to do, my friends, you have your casserole dish here, and you add the potatoes, nice and easy. I'm going to show you from the top in a second, and then you're just going to sprinkle that lovely sauce over it. And don't worry, you're going to mix up the sauce, not to worry. And I forgot to tell you guys that I have some hot water here, and I have about 2.5 cups of hot water. And you also need some butter. I'm going to put some butter in, and it's best to put the hot water after you've added the butter. So I'm going to put, for the butter you need about 2 tablespoons of butter for this recipe, for 1 box. And because I am doubling it, I'm putting in 4 tablespoons. Ooh, that's a lot of butter, but that's what they want. 4 tablespoons for this recipe. And the thing with scalloped potato, when I make it, I like to use whole milk, because I find that you just need the fat to make everything taste wonderful. Okay, so we're just going to move the butter over to the side, and I'm going to now pour the hot water on it. The hot water kind of helps to melt the butter a little bit, right? So there we go. Everything is getting hydrated now. And then I'm going to pour in that lovely cup of milk, right? And if you're just doing 1 box, all you need is 1/2 cup of milk if you're doing 1 package, right? So this is good to go, my friends. Just mix it up, mix it in, mix all that wonderfulness, mix it in. It feels like I haven't done a video, cooking video in a long time. Oh my gosh, I just want you to see the whole process. Okay, and the butter is going to melt in. So when you combine all of this now, my friends, you didn't have to grease the casserole dish as well. Don't grease it. Just pour everything in, and then we're just gonna put it in the oven at 450 for 25 minutes uncovered. Okay, so let's do that, and then we'll come right back. So my friends, this is what it looks like after 25 minutes in the oven at 450. So we're going to take it out and let it cool for a little bit, and the sauce will then thicken up. Okay, and then we'll have some dinner. Okay my friends, here we go. Now this still needs to harden up a little bit because it's still a little bit wet, but I just want to share it. Oh, that looks really good, my friends. Look at that. I just want to share it. That looks yummy. And that's how it is. I'm actually pairing it with roast chicken breast, kale salad, and of course the star is the Dollar Tree scalloped potato. And that's it, you know, my friends. Easy breezy, 25 minutes, you have dinner on the table. Honestly, easy job. So thank you for watching, my friends. Go ahead and say it. This is my time, and I deserve something better. Thank you for watching.